Fullbay came at a fraction of the cost of other systems out there, and being more dynamic and web-based just made it really good for us. For what we have to pay for it versus what we get out of it is a great return on investment.
It's actually one of the easiest programs I've used to create estimates. You can see everything that's going on in your shop, the flows, what's getting diagnosed, what's coming in, what hasn't been assigned. Our customers use the Fullbay portal to pay their bills. The customers use that to view their repair histories. The Fullbay portal is a real nice tool for the customer. It makes it real transparent to them on what's going on with their vehicle.
I get an email and I click on that link and it takes me to Fullbay, and that's where I pay my bills back to Donahue. And I like that a lot better. It's really quick, seamless.
The first thing I noticed about Fullbay was that it is user-friendly. Within 2 weeks, I felt like I was an expert in Fullbay.
Everything's web-based and it's just so easy to access. I could access it on a laptop, on my phone, on a tablet. It's just there. And it saves me countless hours.
I use Fullbay. The all revenue report is extremely important to me. I look at that several times a day. We actually have it cast up on 55-inch large screen TVs throughout our locations so that we can see it live.
You can actually communicate with the front office through Fullbay. Us as mechanics, if you're working in something and you're trying to find out who else touched that truck before, it actually allows you to go in there and then look in the history of what has done to the truck.
Fullbay is currently being used across 6 locations right now on the Donahue network. It's really nice because you can see all the locations at once and see what SOs are opened, or what part statuses are at, or the data and reporting behind all 6 locations. So it's nice to be able to get all of them together visually on a screen.
I could build a process where all of our parts team could able to follow it and know where the part belongs to, service order or counter sell, which means we could sell the part quicker, or we could put it on service order quicker to get that truck out and to get paid.
Fullbay helps with the chaos because we can have 20, 30 trucks in our lot at a time, and Fullbay helps us to really keep tabs on the technician and better organize our shop to where we're able to serve the customer better.